Dear friends, welcome to Tej Academy. Hope you are doing great today. In this video, we will learn about interesting facts about pi. We all know that pi is 16th alphabet of English language. Similarly, pi is 16th alphabet of Greek language and written as displayed on screen. A second symbol is used very commonly to represent constant value 22/7 or 3.14. This question is very common to everyone. Why pi is used to represent ratio of circumference to diameter or constant value 22/7 and not any other letter. In mathematics, generally first letter of any metric is used to represent value of that particular metric. For example, we use C for circumference, D for diameter, and R for radius. When you translate two words circumference and perimeter using Google Translate, you will see that circumference is called as periphery in Greek language and perimeter as perimetros. First letter of both the words is pi. Hence, this might be reason ancient scientists had used pi to represent ratio of circumference to diameter. Though this is not exact rule, but we can conclude based on our observation. Now, we will see the mathematical definition and different aspects of pi. Pi is used to represent the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter. Here in this example, diagram displayed on screen, C is the circumference and D is the diameter. So pi will be used to represent C upon D. Remember, pi is not C upon D. Pi is used to represent C upon D. Now let's see why pi is constant. To understand this, we should first know meaning of constant, concept of constant. In mathematics, constant is a value which does not change or remain same in different condition. Let's understand this in a better way with few examples ahead. Here is example 1. In example 1, we have a dish with circumference as 44 centimeter, radius 7 centimeter, and obviously diameter will be twice of radius, that is 14 centimeter. Now we will find ratio of circumference to diameter of this particular dish, that is C upon D, equal to 44 upon 14. After simplification, we will get 22 upon 7. For saving time, I am calculating directly and writing on solving for this example. You may solve it yourself and validate the answer. Here is example 2. In example 2, we have a bicycle wheel. The size of bicycle wheel is obviously bigger than dish which we saw in earlier example. The circumference is 176 centimeter and diameter is 56 centimeter for this bicycle wheel. Now we will calculate circumference upon diameter, that is 176 upon 56. After simplification, we'll get 88 upon 28. Then 44 upon 14. And finally 22 upon 7. Here in example 3, we have a giant wheel with circumference as 44 meter and diameter 14 meter. Very important, please note that I am using unit as meter, whereas in our earlier two example we used unit as centimeter. So don't get confused. Now we will find the ratio of circumference to diameter for this particular object, that is a giant wheel, which will be 44 upon 14. And after simplifying, we'll get 22 upon 7. Same. What do you observe from three examples? Ratio of circumference to diameter is same irrespective of size of circles. In other words, we can say Ratio of circumference to diameter is not changing with change in size of circle, which implies this ratio C upon D is constant, and this ratio C upon D or constant value 22 upon 7 or 3.14 is denoted by Greek letter pi. This is why pi is called constant. Based on our earlier examples, observation, calculation, here we can derive formula for circumference of circle. We know that C upon D equal to pi, which is same as C upon 2r. 2r means twice of radius. I have replaced diameter with 2r equal to pi. And if we cross multiply, we will get formula for circumference, that is C equal to 2 pi r, whereas C is the circumference and r is radius. Hope you like this video. Due to current pandemic situation, we have collaborated with Smart Education to offer quality content and education at a very affordable fees. If you wish to get this offer, call number displayed on screen. Thank you for watching video. Have a wonderful day.